very happy to join you today at the Manangareza school to distribute school kits to the students. Once again, this year we'll be providing school kits for the students at schools in the communes of Toamasina I and Toamasina II. As an active member of the community, Ambatovy attaches great importance to education. It is one of our main priorities in our contribution to the sustainable development of the communities surrounding our facilities. In Madagascar, education remains a major challenge for many families. This year's school kit donation is worth over 117 million ariary, and it will help equip 2,512 students from 5 different schools located in Toamasina I and Toamasina II. At Ambatovy, we will continue to contribute to the sustainable development of Madagascar in many ways and support the development of the education sector in order to benefit future generations. Ladies and gentlemen and students, thank you for your attention. Misocha Tunko.